All right, guys. Let me show you how we can actually design a food pack. Okay, the cover design for a food pack like coffee. Right. So that's what I want to do in this video. So I'm going to click on the plus sign here. All right. Just click on this plus sign here, and then I'm going to take the custom size. I'm using the pro version for this for Canva. Okay. So click on custom size, and then in pixel format, we're going to take 1768 for the width, and then for the height, it's going to take 1258. I think 1258. Okay, let me take 1280. 1280. All right, for this, then let's click on create new design. All right, click on create new design. All right, so this is what I'm taking. I'm going to use. All right, this is background I want to use. Okay, I think this is not too big, but you can use this. Okay, and then I can resize this later on. Anyway, I can resize it. But so this is what I want to do. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my plus sign again, and let's go for the background. All right, I'm going to click on upload. I've already uploaded what I want to use. Okay, so I'm using this as this one as the background. So let me click on it. All right, that is it. What I'm going to do is to click on effect, and then let me remove the background. Okay, the background that follow that stuff. Okay, let me remove the background, BG remover, so that the background will go. Then I can focus on the main thing stuff, right? So while it's going on, I can decide to take it to this end, to this very edge. It's done. I can see it's clearer right now. The background is gone. So I'm going to drag it down to fill up the space. To fill up the space that is supposed to be. All right, good. All right, that is it. It's filled up. Okay, so the background will be taken. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go for my coffee cup. All right, so let me click on upload. Go for my coffee cup, this one. All right, this as usual again, because it came with the background, I screenshot it. So I'm going to remove the background. Sorry, let me remove the background. Click on effect, remove BG. All right, remove BG, and then BG remover rather. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the size now. Just drag down and reduce the size. Keep it somewhere here. All right, somewhere here like this. Just hold on. All right, so guys, I think this position is cool. This position is cool. So I'm going to go for this other guy again. I'm going to be here. This very one here. Let's take this guy. All right, now this also comes with a background, so I'm going to remove the background also. So remove the background. You can only do this with the pro version. All right, so if you don't have the pro version, let me know. I can get the pro version across to you with maybe with 2,000 I can get the pro version. Yes, for life you can get the Canva Pro with 2,000 naira. So let me know if you're interested. I'm going to get the pro version for you. All right, so the background is gone, so I'm going to position this one here. All right, then this one's supposed to be, you can see it's actually at the back, right? So let me take it to the front. By taking it to the front, you come to position here. Let's come to position here. And what is position here? Okay, say click on position, right? And then click on forward. It will come to the front. You can see that, right? So it is at the front now. Okay, so let's position this guy here. Let's position him here, under here. Okay, so as if the stuff is carrying it. Okay, carrying the cup. All right, that's what I tend to do. Okay, so something of this nature. Let's position it properly. Okay, so it's like the coffee spill and then it fell on this, all right, stuff like that. So I think this is cool. This is cool. So hold on, I'm going to go for another guy. So guys, as you can see now, that is well positioned, right? So let me see if I can still work on it. Okay, now you can see that line on it. It means it's centralized. Okay, so I think this is cool. This is cool. Okay, let me take this one back a bit. Let me take it down a bit. All right, okay, I think that is cool. So it's carrying my stuff, right? So I'm going to go for this guy now. I'm going to go for this coffee guy. Now it also has background, so let me remove the background. Click on effect, click on BG remover. All right, so guys, I'm back. So what we're going to do is this one, you position it somewhere here. Let's reduce a bit. Yeah, something of this nature. All right, okay, so it's there. Let's take it backward. Go to position and take it, send it backward. Make sure it's at the back, right? Just take it this one, then click on backward. Okay, it's at the back now. All right, so that is it. So I think it's getting nice, right? Okay, let me see if I can reduce it a bit. Okay, something like this. All right, we are doing pack for coffee. Okay, for a coffee stuff. Now guys, sorry, so what we're going to do now is to go for elements. Under element, we'll go for a frame. Well, let's go get a frame because I want to add a little design to that. So click on frame. All right, under frame, let's go for frames. Let's look for frames. Okay, click on frames there. Okay, you can see that now. We'll go for a circular frame. A circular frame. Let's go down and see if we have what I'm looking for. All right, we're still going to go down. All right, down here. Okay, I think this is what I'm looking for. This very one. You can use this one here. Okay, let's see if we can use that. Okay, here now you click on replace, and then as you click on replace, I'm going to go for this stuff here. I'm going to go for upload, go to upload, and then I'm going to go for this guy here. All right, that is it. And then you're going to just double tap. Okay, so to crop it. All right, just crop it like this. You crop it. Let it still go up a bit. You can see what I'm doing. Very good. I think that's cool. So you click on done. Then I'm going to change the color. All right, let's take the color to black. Let's see if we can use black. Very good. All right, that is it. Okay, I think that is cool. All right, so now that that is being done, the next you're going to do is to bring it down here, somewhere down this way. Okay, somewhere down here to add to the stuff. I think I'm done. So this is it. So what I'm going to do is to add a little right up. I'm going to add a little right up. Okay, a little right up. Okay, so let's go get a text. All right, let's go get a text. Click on plus sign. Let's go for text. Click on text, and then let's use this particular one. Let's use add the subheading. Let's use that, and then here we're going to type in. Okay, let me change that to black first, so that because the background is white, let's change the color to black. All right, very good. Then let's type something like nothing is as sweet. Nothing is as sweet as coffee, right? Nothing is as sweet as coffee. Okay, I think that's cool. Then we can change the fonts. We can work on the fonts. Okay, let me increase the font a bit. Okay, I think that is cool. Nothing is as sweet as coffee. I think that is this is okay. And then let's take a look at the font pattern. Let's go get something nice. Let's see if we can use a Masterat, something like that. Let's see if it's coming up. Masterat. Masterat. I think we need to be very careful with the spelling. Okay, if I can't get it, let me see if I can get Ubuntu. Okay, I think Ubuntu will be there. Okay, so let me use Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu. Okay, you click on Ubuntu. All right, so that is cool. This is it. This is Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu. So I think we are done for this now. We are done. All right, so nothing as sweet as coffee. Nothing as sweet as coffee has been done. So guys, it's time for me to upload. All right, so download it and come to this way. All right, but hold on. All right, guys. Let's see if we can if I can take this up a bit. Yeah, I think that's cool. And then let me see if I can resize it. Let's see if we can resize it. To resize, click on these two buttons, the three buttons up here. Just click on that. Let's see if you can see resize. Oh, sorry about that. All right, so guys, this is it. So you click on resize, this very one. Just click on resize, this very one here. Click on it. All right, click on resize, and then I think I'm cool. I think this is actually okay. All right, so no need of resizing it. Okay, so let's just let it go. Let it go. I think this is cool. All right, so I think what we're going to do. Guys, let's download it. Click on this way. Let's download the stuff. Click on OK. I'm going to click on this, and then click on download, and then we'll click on we can use PNG. PNG is cool. All right, PNG is cool. Download, and we're good to go. So the work is being downloaded. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to mock it. You need to mock it because this is not just going to come like this. So let me just go and see if we can mock it. All right, so give me some time. Okay, no. All right, let's go together, guys. Let's go to my browser now. Let's open a browser, Chrome browser, and then you type in smartmockups.com, right? And then let's go get food. Okay, let me take you back a bit so they can see what I'm talking about. If you come down this way, you're going to see packaging. Okay, you're going to click on packaging. Go to beverages or food is okay. Okay, let me click on beverages and see what we got here. Okay, so these are beverages stuff, right? So what I'm going to take is we can take any of them. If you see now, this one is pro. You can see this one. This particular one is pro version, all right? So let's go for free. These ones are free. The one that has PRO, they are pro, so you have to pay for that. But the other one that are free, you can pick the free ones. Okay, these are stuff you can use. All these ones are cool, all right? You can use all these ones. They're free. You can use them. You can use stuff like this and all that. Okay, so let me quickly take one of them. Let me go for I don't want this video to be too long. Let's take this guy. All right, let's take that guy. I'm going to do more of that after this one so that the video will not be too long for you. I just want to show you how you can get a mock for your beverage package. All right, so now that this is up, you click on upload from. Click on upload from. You see, this is where I click. Now click on upload image. Click on that, upload image, and and then click on files, and then you're going to go to, I'm going to go straight to Canva. No, go to my photos and get what I downloaded just now. Okay, this is what I downloaded just now. You can see that. That is it. So just upload it. It's coming up, and then you're going to see the beauty of. Okay, see, that is it. Cool, right? This is what we just did just now, guys. This is cool, right? So what we're going to do is to click on download here. Click on download. Because you are on free package, you're going to click on medium. High and super high are paid ones. So go to medium high. Click on medium, and then we are good to go. Okay, just hold on and see how it's been downloaded. Alright, so guys, this, so you click on download finally, and your work is being downloaded. You can open it now. Click on open, and then here we go. Here we are. Okay, this is it. This is what we just did just now. Alright, now you can decide to add some, maybe write up to it, okay, if you want to. But if you don't want, I think this is cool. Alright, this is very, very cool, and then we are good to go. So thank you for watching. If you're interested in this, let us know so we can give you the professional treatment for you to have become a pro Canva, pro graphic designer, and then you can make like 250K from this per month. So side hustle, you can get money like this, okay, as much as 250,000 to 500,000 every month if you know where to go. So if you're interested, let me know. I can show you where you can be selling your graphic designs and you'll be making money. See you some other time. God bless you. This is Dr. Sam K. I'm out for now.